Today's topic is prairie dogs. Why are prairie dogs important? Prairie dogs are mammals native to North American grasslands in states such as Utah, South Dakota, and Colorado. Today, we will generally discuss prairie dogs rather than zooming in on a particular species. But keep in mind that different species can vary in their ecological experiences. Prairie dogs play an important role in the ecosystem. For example, the black-tailed prairie dog shown here is considered a keystone species. This means it has a profound impact on other species, and if it were to be removed, the ecosystem would drastically change. Studies have documented that at least 163 other species depend on prairie dogs. Other than that, these animals are intense burrowers. Their digging makes soil fertile in grasslands and improves plant nitrogen uptake. What are some challenges they face? Prairie dogs are generally considered imperiled, and the Utah prairie dog is on the endangered species list. They are mainly threatened by sylvatic plague, a disease carried by fleas. An outbreak can kill 85 to 99% of the members in a prairie dog colony. Over the years, this has reduced their geographic range by 95%. As a result, all 5 prairie dog species are biologically in danger.
Prairie dogs are also imperiled by the conversion of open land to farm or pasture land, where they are often killed as pests. The confluence of these pathogenic and anthropogenic factors put not only prairie dogs in grave danger, but also the wildlife that depends on them. Ongoing efforts include the following. Trust species and habitat research scientists are studying prairie dog survival rates and various factors impacting resistance in the hope of protecting prairie dog populations. There are also 2 interesting ongoing research projects under the U.S. Forest Service. The first attempts to tackle the problem of estimating prairie dog density in various ecoregions. Another study has found that the plague via fleas is exacerbated by human land activities. Now, what can you do to protect prairie dogs? There's plenty that you can do to outreach to encourage the conservation of prairie dogs. One of the most important steps is education, to inform communities about their importance to the ecosystem and to reduce the perception that they're agricultural pests. These steps may lead to a more harmonious coexistence. You can also lobby to strengthen the Endangered Species Act or start local prairie dog awareness events locally. We've linked some organizations that you can get involved with at the end of this video. Here's some vocabulary that you have learned in this lesson. Keystone species, a species whose removal from an ecosystem would drastically impact other species. Anthropogenic, of and relating to human impact on the environment.
Thanks for watching.